Congratulations on your purchase of the Windsor Sensor S2 HEPA or Karcher CVU vacuum. A great commercial vacuum. Though similar to their cousins, the Sensor XP and Sensor S, the Sensor S2 and CVU vacuums are a bit simpler and are quite a bit different in setup. Today, we're going to show you the initial setup of the vacuum as it comes right out of the box. The first thing you'll want to do is record the serial number. It can be found on the box. This is important to keep track of the purchase date of your vacuum for your future warranty needs. Then, unbox the components. The vacuum will come out of the box in these assembled pieces: the power head, bag housing, hose and wand, and the cord. First, place the power head on a firm surface such as a workbench, table, or even the floor. Align the dust bag housing with the power head, making sure that the swivel neck and support levers lock in at the same time. Next, we'll install the power cord. This is a crucial step to follow completely so that the vacuum cord is protected and not interfering with the vacuum's operation. First, plug the female end of the cord into the power socket on the swivel neck. Then, press the cord into the channel all the way at the top of the bag housing. Now, we'll route the cord around the retainers that lead up to the strain relief in the handle. Lastly, make a loop in the cord and push it into the strain relief. You can now wind the cord onto the vacuum's cable hook. The hose and handle assembly will be the final step in the assembly process. Simply insert the black end of the hose into the top of the bag housing until the retaining ring clicks. Now, dock the extension wand in the bag housing. Be sure that the handle on the wand covers the tab on the bag housing. That keeps the wand in place and also unlocks the hose so that it can be used separately from the wand if you choose. For more helpful videos on the Sensor S2 and Karcher CVU vacuums, visit homeprovacuum.com or our YouTube channel. For bags, filters, and any other parts that you may need for your machine, visit our website or give our support team a call. Thanks for watching and happy vacuuming.